Hey you guys, so welcome back to today's video. We're going to be doing a PR haul. I have a bunch of boxes that I want to get through before Christmas. We're getting ready to head out of town. We're going to be going home for the holidays. I need to dive into these things. I need to get some creative juices flowing. Figured I'd spend a little bit of time with you guys since I had a little bit of time to kill, and I wanted to do this actually vlog style, but my Sony decided to overheat. So I'm like, all right, well, my filming setup is already ready to go, so I might as well just film it. So let's get to it. I'll go ahead and open this first one because it's right on top. I love this company. I've talked about them before on my channel. This here is the Dollar Lash Club. If you guys watch my tutorials, you guys know I talk about these lashes all the time. I use them in a lot of my tutorials, a lot of my Instagram videos. I just really like the price point. They're either a buck, like $3 or $7, and I like the way that they feel. I like the way that they look on my eyes, and they have different styles. Like, they're just incredible. So this one here is called Robin. This is actually one of my favorite ones. It's really wispy and soft. This one here is another one of my favorites. I want to say that this one's Lexi. I'm right. This last one I have is called Caitlin, which is a new one to me. I've actually never played with this, but it definitely reminds me of the Demi Wispies. They're just really soft, and they're not going to be super out there, but definitely going to give you a little bit of volume. So thank you so much, Dollar Lash Club. The next one I have here is by First Aid Beauty. I actually just got this last night. I thought that it was one of the boxes because I have a couple boxes sitting outside of my house, like present style, and it's got the same kind of colors and stuff like this. So I was like, huh. But the mail lady put it next to it so it looked like it blended in. We haven't had any issues with people stealing boxes around here, which is really nice. All right, so here is the box. This says Fab to the rescue. So this is the Ultra Repair Cream. It's a light as air moisturizer that rebuilds and strengthens the barrier, making sure the bad stuff stays out while keeping the moisture and essential lipids in. This here is their Fab Skin Lab Retinol Eye Cream. So this one here, happy birthday. Oh shit, it's my mom's birthday today. Oh crap, I gotta call her. I can't believe I forgot.
Hello.
Happy birthday! What are you doing?
Right here with Alex and your dad and Laura.
All right, mom is called. And then the last one that they sent over is this right here, which is called the Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil. Now, I do want to mention that these are all safe for sensitive skin. So thank you so much to First Aid Beauty. Let's move into the second box. This here is by Mellow, and this is a Pia and Mellow collab. I've mentioned Mellow before. I actually just featured them in my recent monthly favorites. They have a brow powder duo that is fabulous. Oh my God, she's beautiful. Huh. She's gorgeous. So her collection has 2 matte liquid lip paints and a lip gloss in 3 divine shades. This is the very first liquid lipstick. It is a really vibrant red. So there is the red. I feel like it comes off really vibrant and really rich. This one here is a glamorous dark burgundy is what she describes it as. That's gorgeous. So this here is Palm Springs. That is super pigmented though for a gloss. It definitely doesn't have a gloss feel to it, which I kind of like. It's not sticky at all either. This is Mykonos, this is Capri, and then you've got Palm Springs at the bottom. All right, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. It has been a while since I've gotten anything from Too Faced. Shut the front door. Is this what I think it is? Oh, I'm so excited. I actually almost bought this, you guys. I'm so excited about this. I really wanted to test out this palette. The funny thing about this, when I had originally saw this palette, it was a lot smaller in my mind. I had this idea that it was like half this size, like it was one of those baby ones. And then when I saw like the first YouTubers get them, I was like, that thing is huge, which is even better. Look at how beautiful. Okay, so let's do a little bit of swatching. So there's the brown. Ooh, that burgundy, girl. Burgundy is nice. So there it is. So we got some neutral shades. So these definitely need a glitter base to them. Do you guys see the intensity? Oh, wow, that's gorgeous. Definitely need to have some sort of glitter base to this. They also sent over the Better Than Sex and Diamonds, and this is a limited edition packaging. Look at this freaking mascara, y'all. I don't even want to use this mascara. This is definitely a mascara where once you get done using it, you have to display it. Then they sent over a brush in here. And then they also sent over one of the glow jobs. They sent over these, which are their Diamond Light multi-use fine highlighters. Thank you so much, Too Faced. I could probably do a full face of Too Faced, like a one brand tutorial, now that I think about it, because I do have a foundation, a concealer. I think the brow products would be the only one I would need, which I could totally just go out and buy. But if you guys want to see it, I would totally do it. I think I'm going to do that. Thumbs up if you guys want to see a full face of Too Faced only. One brand tutorial. The next thing I have here is from STEPHSBEAUTY. So this is what they sent over and little pads to go with it. I've actually just started trying this out. I have heard nothing but amazing reviews about the Glow Tonic. I think I was watching Shay, and she was saying that this is one of the reasons why her skin, like she has texture like I do, and she was saying that this is one of the reasons why she thinks her like texture is almost gone. And I was like, well, now I need it even more. I think I'm actually going to display this like on her counter because this is a really pretty little display. So I also have this right here that I got sent from New Me. I didn't even know they knew who I was. I actually own quite a few things from New Me. I've bought from their site before. So this is the first thing that they sent over. So this here is the thermal heat protectant, which is awesome because I've almost out of my other one. And then they also sent over this wand, which is their 25mm classic wand, which I actually don't own. I own the bigger one, but I don't own this one. And I actually really like their wands. So thank you so much. That's really great of you guys. Okay, so the next thing I have is actually from Influenster. They asked if they could send me a box, and I said, sure. So they sent me this big old box, and it's heavy. I mean, like, it is really heavy. So this here is the most reviewed, top rated, best in beauty box. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's filled. So the very first thing they sent over, oh, I actually don't have any of this right now, is the Laura Mercier Ready, Set, Go. They also sent over Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. We also have a Real Techniques sponge. You can never have too many of those, y'all. The EOS Shave Cream and Moisturizer for smoother, softer skin. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I don't shave my legs all the time. They also sent over the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, and this here is by Sunday Riley. This here's a little sample size. We also have some little masks in here. Mask we have is the Alba Hawaiian Detox Warming Mud Mask. Garnier Fructis Color of Vibrancy Treatment 1-minute hair mask. This one here is the Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp Scrub with Pink Himalayan Sea Salt. What the? Dude, this looks so awesome. Whoa! This here is the Tresemme Extra Firm Control number 4. I have the mini travel size with me that my husband and I both take everywhere. Jason and Eva use this. I use this in Eva's hair and Jason's hair. This stuff is like a cult favorite in my family. And then they also sent me some dry shampoo. Thank you so much. Next thing we have is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. By the way, these are all award-winning products from 2018 is what it says. And then they have this Oribe. Oh my God, I always forget. We got this in our last box, didn't we? And I couldn't say this. Dry texturing spray. I used my other one that we got in our bag or my box. When one of my subscription boxes, we got this already. And I've used this, and this stuff really works well. Shut the front door. They sent over a Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita. Man, they did good. We also have this Pond's Dry Skin Cream. The Natural Glow Jergens Daily Moisturizer. Love this stuff. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. We also have the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Coconut Lime. This stuff reminds me so much of Suave's coconut shampoo and conditioner. Oh man, I used to use that stuff like crazy. We used to buy that in bulk. We used to use Suave in our house. I had the blue one, or the white one was my favorite. It's not really good for your hair. My parents still buy it. My dad has it in his shower, and every time I go into there, like when I visit, if they have it, I'll totally use it in my hair because I'm like, oh, it smells so good. We've got some Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. We're going to finish off with some makeup, which I assume is in this little bundle. A ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This here is in Lightning Bug. Look at how pretty that color is. It's really pretty. It's like a really pretty copper tone shade. And then they sent over one of the Becca Skin Perfecting, what is this? A pressed highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. I actually don't have this. It broke. I'm gonna have to repress that. That's like a brand new highlighter. I'm totally repressing that. We also have another highlighter. This here is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. I actually own this one, so I'm not going to open it. And then, of course, I love this palette. I've actually talked about this. We did like a one brand tutorial, which I'll link right here if you guys haven't seen it. I did a one brand like full tutorial on CoverGirl, and these palettes are really, really good. If you guys haven't tried CoverGirl in a while, you definitely need to try them out. Ever since they revamped like their entire brand, their products have been amazing, and their eyeshadow palettes are really, really good. They're also cruelty free. In case you guys didn't know, they just completely went cruelty free, which is amazing. This palette right here is in the shade True Naked Chocolate. No, True Naked Chocoholic. So this has got more of those like neutral chocolate tones in there. I really like this green. Do you guys see that green? That is an amazing, amazing box. Thank you so much, Influencer. So I wanted to spend a minute talking about this brand, which is Profusion. I featured them on my channel before. I've been on their PR list for a little bit now, and they are the sweetest. They are so amazing, and they're so kind, and they always take such great, meticulous effort to package every single thing. I wanted to share that because they wrapped every single little PR kit in this beautiful little candy cane wrapping. Thank you for your continued love and support. Enclosed, please find a special holiday gift from us and one extra for a friend or for a lucky follower. So one is for me and one is for you guys. So here is what they sent over. This is so cute. Here is the beauty chest, and it's a 41-piece pro makeup kit. Thank you so much, Profusion. Here's what we'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and put together a mystery box for you guys, including that. We'll do that. You have to be subscribed, obviously. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down with like a heart emoji, and let me know what you guys have asked for this year for Christmas. So I have received this PR kit from this company, which is a subscription service box. This here is by Boutique Monthly, and they are home of the K-Beauty subscriptions, Beauty Box and Mask Maven. So if you guys are huge like skincare junkies, I think this would be a great box because I opened this one last month and I was like floored. They gave me a discount code. If you use Steph's Beauty, you get 25% off your first month. So we'll start with the first one, which I want to say that this is called Mask. This is the Mask Maven one. So I have Collagen, Lychee. We have this one right here. This one. We've got this one. Power Relaxation Skin with Moisturizing Treatment. We have this Fresh to Go Cucumber Sheet Mask, Frozen Thyme and Collagen Patch and Firming Mask. The Glow Luminous Flower Firming Mask. That's a lot of masks. So this one here is by Boutique. So they sent over this little kit, which I'm totally gonna use this. The next thing they sent over are these Messy Hair Essence Tissues. So these here are a single-use capsule that contains enough nourishing powder to cleanse your face and neck. Interesting. And then they sent over a multifunction formula snail repair eye cream. Okay. We also have this aloe vera soothing mist. This is 100% aloe vera soothing mist. I like that. And then the last thing they sent over is this bubbling peeling pad. They gave me a coupon code for Steph's Beauty. So that'll give you 25% off your first month if you guys want to use my code. But thank you so much. I actually really like that. That was cool. Holy moly, it's a big old lipstick. Look at that bad boy. And I'm so excited about this because I love her. Her name is Meg. I've known her for a really long time. I've seen her at events. She is just so sweet and so humble. And she's got a really good heart. So if you guys haven't subscribed to her, I definitely would. She's got a YouTube channel and she has an Instagram channel. She does a lot of really great work on other people as well. She is a professional MUA. You got Victor here, and then you got Amy. And so each of them have their own collection. Anyways, I'm definitely going to play around with this. Thank you so much, Pop Beauty. So here is the last thing we've got here. Ooh, it's a selfie ring. A little selfie light for your camera. So here are the two highlighters that they sent over. First one we have here is the Pixie Cake Pixie and Champagne Glow. So here are the 3 shades for the Champagne Glow that you guys can see. And then we also have the Pixie Glow. This one is in Gilded Bear Glow. And this is, I think, is more of my style. You got the highlighter, the blush, and the bronzer. And then if you mix them all together, that is what it looks like. It's like this iridescent pink color. So that there is the PR haul. Make sure to follow the description box if you guys want to enter my little giveaway for a mystery box. And if you guys want to check out those subscription services, I'll go ahead and have that information listed below, as well as that discount code that they provided me. And yeah, happy holidays, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Make sure to subscribe if you guys aren't yet to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.